Hi Chemistry, this is Mrs. KJ. Just wanted to go over a few things as we start second semester of core chemistry. As always, make sure you read the class announcements when you log in, download, save, or print your cheat sheets. You're going to need them throughout the semester. For the most part, things are the same. This should be a real quick video. There's only a few tiny changes. So in the content, one thing I did was I changed it so that if you want to watch the videos of me reading the lessons instead of reading them yourself, you're more than welcome to. There is a ton of math in the first couple chapters. So if you're a little hesitant on the math, make sure you come see me for help. And this might help as well because I go through the problems. Another big thing that you're going to notice with this first unit, it's unit 0. There's a reason for that. This is supposed to be unit 6 of first semester, but there is no way I could in good conscience squeeze this into first semester because it takes time to do all this math. So I put it into second semester, but I couldn't make it unit 1 without messing up absolutely everything else. So it's unit 0. So some places you'll see it say unit 6. Some places, if we're doing stuff with applied, you'll see it says unit 1. And then in here, it's unit 0. So if you start getting confused, let me know. This was the best way I could come up with. So we're starting with unit 0. The other big thing that I wanted to remind you about was when you get to the review lessons, there's always a page that looks like this with the problems and solutions. You really need to be doing them. Okay, I know some of you were, which is great, and I know some of you weren't. You've got to be doing these because of the math. You need practice. And if you have a hard time remembering where that is, you can always bookmark this link, but it is under course materials, problems and solutions, and you have the answers, so you need to check them. So that's the big thing as far as with all this math, you have to be doing the practice. Also, make sure you know how to work your calculator. If you're having problems with your calculator, please let me know and I can help you. Just let me know what brand and model of calculator you have, or if you're using one on the computer. Make sure you look through the syllabus. We have CC is primarily on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I'm going to try and squeeze some in on Mondays when I can. I have other classes that are filling up these other spots, so that's why they're empty. Again, there's final due dates for the labs, although they'll be on your weekly plan for when they're going to come up. Having office hours again Thursday evenings. So I know I started that first semester, but with my fractured ankle, I had to stop. So we'll have office hours Thursday evening. I can meet you other times by appointment, so don't be afraid to ask for help. And then, of course, the other big thing is make sure you're being honest. That means you're doing the work yourself, especially for quiz and test. I give you a cheat sheet link for the things that you can use. Please be respectful of that and use them, but don't add to it. And that's the big thing. All right. Talk to you soon.